great day. Hope you enjoyed the MR2 dyno day that didn't go very well. Here's a project that we'll do and be 100% completed in this video. I'm gonna show you guys how to install some new taillights, LED taillights for the Scion FRS BRZ GT86 non-GR86. Probably from the year 2013 to like 2021, 21, 22, I can't remember, I think it's 2021. I'm really excited. I've wanted new taillights for this car for very long time. It actually came with some smoked VLand taillights, but one of them was broken. So I ended up just getting some cheap stock ones to pass the state inspection, and then now I've been rolling with these ugly taillights, the factory ones, for a long time. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna show you guys how to easily install some non-OEM ones to these beautiful aftermarket LED taillights. These two are VLand taillights. They're about $190 to like $210 for these sets. You can probably find some OEM ones for anywhere from like 100 to maybe like 150. I recommend if you need new taillights or you want to upgrade, don't do these ones. These are just not my favorite. They actually do look good because they are circle when you hit the brake. They do look cool from that angle, but the chrome, there's too much JDM chrome. It's not my style. The chrome is too much. These are all red. Red. And then the middle is like a dark, shiny plastic. I like that. And that'll be the brake. So this should turn on this one unit. It's like a unit, it's like a tube, an LED tube that should turn on. Then the turn indicators, and then it'll flash bright when the brakes are on. Couple things. I still have not gotten our license plate frame. I was gonna do that, I need to do that. I still have not repainted this or removed that. I need to do that. And then also I need to do a third reverse backup light. I need to redo that one as well. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and just pop off these taillights. I'll show you how to do it bolt by bolt. First, open up your trunk. Once you're in your trunk, you're gonna have a little push pin right here. There are little tools for that, but I usually just use flatheads right here in the flathead. Then you can just pull this out. You just push. It's a piece of carpet right here. You're probably gonna wanna do that back one up over there as well. Let's do that one as well. Okay, so right there, and I think they're 8mm. I think there's 4 8mm. Do you guys see those? 1, 2, 3, 4. Super simple. 4 8mm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there is one clip right here, and you just push on this little back of the clip, it comes out. I'm going to use some cleaner and clean along here so we have a nice flush surface, beautiful, when we re-put this new VLand taillight. Again, same thing, it'll probably just be one little clip right here, plug and play, super easy. So one push in right here, this clicks right in, really nice. 4 8mm later. It does have like a little seal right here. You guys can see that, this little seal. So you might want to push it a little bit, otherwise it might stick out a little bit. But there you go, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. What an upgrade. I'm excited. Wow, okay, I think the turn indicator is on. So I think it's backwards. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Let's actually turn it on one more click. Okay, here we go. Now those are on. Nope, that's definitely backwards, that click. That's funny. I don't know, because I think it's just supposed to be the turn indicators, but let's turn the turn indicators. You might be able to switch them around. Let's see. Did I push the emergency flasher on? Let's try one more time. I didn't. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, let's see what's happening. Yeah, I got it backwards. Look at that. You can actually do it that way. That's actually pretty cool. Definitely want to reverse it though. Let's flip that cable around real quick. The design that I'm looking for. You could run it the other way. How do you switch this? So they purposely made, there's a green and yellow, these two right here. They purposely made a quick release. All you do is literally pull on them. You literally pull and then switch it. So I went yellow to green and green to yellow, and now I have the day. This is a daytime running light. And then if you turn the emergency flasher on, the sequential the sequential should be the middle. Yeah. So don't freak out. Ooh, I like that. That looks so cool. There you go. So significantly better. Wow. Amazing. Like that. Put the carpet back in, tuck it nice, and then push those little pins in, and we got one and done. Really easy. This is a 1-star install. You can do this. I think my favorite look actually is with the tail light off. I think that looks really good. It's like a dark red. The Toyota CELICAs that I've owned, so many of them, the later versions come with a, the earlier version kind of looks like this, and then the last version kind of comes with like a pinkish. There's a similar design, but it's pink. This is like a red. I like this a lot, and I think that this looks really good. If you wanted to be a little darker, I think this looks good right here. It actually makes the inside look darker when the light is off, but when the light is on, the inside actually right here where the turn signals actually looks lighter to me. So I think that this is the absolute best look right there. I think that is a 10 out of 10. There is no better tail light than that. Those VLands right there, the sequential VLands, perfect. Non-smoked. Let me show you a smoked one. I like the smoked version more than I do, but I think that this is more OEM plus. So same thing, but smoked. You see it's all dark. I like this. This is me, this is me, this is my cup of tea. Mine, the car came with those. This is better. 10 out of 10. Absolutely love it. So let's do the other side. Again, we're gonna do the 4 8mm bolts, pull it off, and then click it and make sure it's the right signals. And then we'll finish this project. Real quick, inside the back, there is a bulb right here. I'm gonna use a little rag and yank on it right here, pull it out. And then if you want an LED one, just swing by my website and check this out. Oh my gosh, there you go. And now you have a modern trunk, and you can put this cap right back on. That literally just comes on and off right there. And look, now you can see in here. Ouch, that old bulb is hot. There you go, way better. Absolutely recommend that. MitchDore.com. I always say MitchDore.com. We are officially done. I did switch these 2 wires on this one, so I was doing a little vacuuming. Let's turn this on and then turn the turn indicators and see how we did on my FRS. And we got the new LED down there, so we're good. This is looking good. We'll close the hatch. Bam. I like it a lot. I think that looks really good. If anyone wants any of these, they'll be on my website. 50 bucks probably, and I don't know, $50, $20, I don't know. Go on my website, you can look at these too, MitchDore.com. They'll also be on my Facebook Marketplace if you guys want those. There you go. Amazing. Absolutely love this transformation. Totally makes the car look way more modern. 10 out of 10. VLands are the way to go. Again, my favorite aesthetic is actually, I think they look better with them off and no turn indicators. I think it looks, truly honestly, I think, yeah, that looks so good. That is absolutely the best. So overall, the FRS is looking pretty good. It has the 5-axis full kit. So rear spat, side skirt, front lip, blacked out everything, 5% tint, blacked out badges on there, GR8 6 wheels, some H&R lowering springs, wheel spacers, new brakes, a works exhaust, and then stock pretty much, an intake and then the exhaust. Next projects that I need to do, if I wanted to make this car perfect, I would take it to a repair body shop and I'd have them pull out this dent right here and pull out this dent up here. I am not going to because I don't really care because this is my Cash FRS. It's a nice daily driver and I really like it. So I don't really care. I just don't care because it doesn't need to be a show car. It's not like the LOTUS EXIGE. So that being said, next thing I'm gonna do is, for this car, we'll probably put this thing up on jack stands and start doing a clutch, an oil change, transmission fluid change, short shifter, and then once that's good and it's feeling really tight and good again because the clutch is shot, I'll look into some forced inductions, maybe install a forced induction turbo kit myself, and then have Intech tune it. And like they said, you know, get like 250 to 300 horsepower. ripper, absolute ripper. I don't know if you guys seen some of those videos online. These cars with 300 horsepower, they beat like all STIs. They're faster than all STIs by a lot. So, and they're super fun. Yeah, I think though that my #1 goal with this car is probably just do the clutch, and then we'll work on the other cars. That's I think what I'm gonna do. I just want this clutch to be done, and then we'll look at the boost. But other than that, VLand taillights, 100 out of 100, perfect. Definitely buy them. These are my favorite. They're probably good on all colors, to be honest. They're probably good on all colors, but the red with the deep red, love it. Like, subscribe, swingbymitch.com. Appreciate you guys so much. See you on the next video.